has had in all 340 cases of COVID positive. There are 7 people who have unfortunately died in this period with COVID 2019 as the primary cause of death. There have been 13 others who have also unfortunately passed away, but they had severe comorbidities and underlying conditions, and COVID was the secondary cause of death. Between 5 p.m. yesterday and 5 p.m. today, 282 people have been discharged after successfully completing their treatment. If we look at the total patients who are active under treatment now, 43 of them are critical on ventilatory care, while 5,248 of them are absolutely stable. 4,035 of them have got discharged, and the discharge rate is 40.62. Similarly, totally as many as 9,932 patients have tested positive so far. If you look at the total tests that Gujarat has done till date, it is 1,27,859. I repeat, 1,27,859. And in the last 24 hours, still 5 p.m. today, the tests done were 3,150. We end today with a very positive, inspiring success story. A 90-year young lady called Gangaben Mohanbhai Prajapati, a resident of Vadodara, contracted COVID-19 and tested positive for it on 27th of April. She had symptoms of fever, cold, body ache and breathlessness which would come off and on. She was generally very active in her normal day-to-day life, but had also developed blood pressure for which she was taking medication, and her hypertension was under control. When she contracted this illness and had to be hospitalized, her neighbors and family members were a little disheartened and thought that the chances of her surviving and returning back were rather bleak. On admission, her vitals were also a little moderate. The oxygen saturation was low. She was immediately put under observation with an oxygen mask, and further tests also revealed her bilateral lower lobular pneumonia. She was immediately put on antibiotics and other supportive medication. But now, as she speaks from the warm confines of her home, having recovered fully and gotten discharged, she looks back and very warmly appreciates the care that the nurses, the paramedics and the doctors at the hospital in Baroda gave her, how they took care of her, how they even helped her change her clothes, escorted her to the toilets and answered her, spoke to her, had conversations with her when she asked for anything. They would also encourage her and give her a lot of positive insights and inputs on having a more speedy recovery. She also adds that the toilets there were very clean, the wards were also very clean, very well maintained. In this period, she had another major setback. Her 65-year-old daughter, who was also tested for COVID, unfortunately succumbed to it and passed away. In spite of this big, major setback which made her distraught, she was determined to win in her fight against COVID. She did not give up, she did not relent, and finally, she did test negative for COVID on 2 consecutive days, and on 12th of May, she was discharged. And as she left the hospital, all the members there, the team that treated her, the nurses, paramedics, doctors, respected her and gave her a big applause and a lot of love and admiration for the way she had fought this disease. She also received a very warm welcome from her neighbors. We will hear her video now, and this is again a testimony of the fact that a very large number of our medical team members are really working very hard day and night to take care of the patients, to treat them and ensure that they get discharged successfully. This includes nurses, paramedics, even our cleaners, sweepers on the wards who help keep the sanitation, toilets clean. We have patient attendants and a whole army of people who are all contributing to this fight against the disease. We do hope we all draw inspiration from this, and the least we can do is to appreciate the excellent work that all these people are doing. Let's keep our positivity and let's keep our immunity high. Thank you.
નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, હું યોગેશ પ્રજાપતિ અને આ મારા નાની છે ગંગાબેન પ્રજાપતિ, 90 વર્ષના છે. બાને કોરોના પોઝિટિવ 28 એપ્રિલે આવ્યું હતું. ત્યારબાદ બાને ટ્રીટમેન્ટ માટે SSG હોસ્પિટલ બરોડામાં દાખલ કર્યા હતા. ત્યાં તેમની ખૂબ કાળજી લેવામાં આવી છે. ત્યાંના સ્ટાફ, આપણે ડૉક્ટર સાહેબ બધા અને નર્સ બધા મેડિકલ સ્ટાફે સારી રીતે બાની ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરી છે. SSGમાં સારી બધી ચોખવટ હતી અને ક્લીન અને બધું વ્યવસ્થિત હતું. જમવાનું બાને ટાઈમસર આપતા હતા અને બાની સારી કાળજી લીધી. એટલે આજે બા ટ્રીટમેન્ટ પતાવીને પોઝિટિવ હતું, તે છતાં બાને સારી ટ્રીટમેન્ટ આપી છે બધાએ. અને આજે બા અમારા ઘરે આવ્યા છે રાજી ખુશી, અને બસ એ જ આનંદની વાત છે. એટલે હું આપણા ગુજરાતના મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી રૂપાણી સાહેબનો પણ આભાર માનું છું, અને SSG હોસ્પિટલ આપણે બરોડા એમના દરેક મેડિકલ સ્ટાફનો પણ આભાર માનું છું. થેન્ક યુ સાહેબ.